Hello everybody, my name is Mirja Magnolia El Preciado. I'm 41 years old. I was born to Maco, Paraná, Cali, with my husband and my children. In this moment, I'm working in the Secretaría de Vivienda Social y Hábitat of the municipality of Cali Valle. I'm studying Bachelor in English as foreign language. I'm happy of standard this course with you because I believe that I can improve my oral expression. I love the fear to speak. I feel that I don't have a good label in English, but also I think that that is because I must love the fear in every moment. And although I have tried of overcome my fear, and for this reason I have tried to practice with some person, but it was never possible. Always I were not more 5 sessions and not more. But good, I have confidence that this course I will love the field and improving my English level and my skill. Okay. The strategy to improve my English speaking skill are, and I try to speak English to my children with the purpose of losing the fear to speak with someone and to customs and my pronunciation without important if it's very good or not. Of course, that I always try to search our reference in the unknown words to know their correct pronunciation. Other strategy, I listen music in English during my work, with the purpose of adapting the ear, and also I learn more pronunciation and try to understand. Number 3, I watch the video of music with lyrics and try to search the unknown words with the purpose of learning new words. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.